Good news for those of you who are skiers, because there's been a little bit of snow across the Alps, notably in Switzerland. This is the shot out across Grindelwald. You can see there's several centimetres of snow, some early snow for the start of the season. But coming a little bit further west, it's a different story. The rain has been heavy and steady for many parts of Spain, as well as into the Pyrenees and up across the more southern parts of France. The Massif Central seeing rain rather than snow right now, and a deep area of low pressure is causing the problems here. Now that swirls around on this side of Europe. Further north, though, these weather fronts will drift down and introduce very much colder air all the way down into the Balkans as we move through Monday and Tuesday. And that shows up very nicely on our temperature charts, as those blues, those are daytime temperatures at or below freezing, creeping their way southwards as we move towards the middle part of next week. So pretty much unsettled for France and Spain, especially in the south during the course of tomorrow, and some chilly weather also across the eastern side of Europe with that cold pool of air. Temperatures in Moscow just 1 degree, and expect some snow here through Saturday. For ourselves, we've had this problem with, although we've had high pressure right across us, with bits of cloud floating around. And you can see there's a fair blanket of cloud, a rather grey, dull scene. One exception, though, you can see that that line of cloud has drifted steadily northwards, and just to the south of that, we've had some very pleasant sunshine for many southern parts of England, now creeping into South Wales and the south of the Midlands. Some cloud keeping in the English Channel, just drifting onto the southern coast, and also a finger of cloud has moved back across London after a fine start this morning. It's rather cloudy here right now, but I think we'll see some sunshine later through the afternoon. The thicker cloud across the more northern counties of England still producing some outbreaks of drizzle and some hill fog to watch out for. And temperatures, well, nothing really to write home about. 9 to 10 degrees, that's about average for the time of year. Now overnight tonight we'll keep the cloud across these more central parts, but to the south of that, where there'll be some good breaks in the cloud, not only will it turn misty, even foggy, it'll be quite a bit colder than we've seen of late as well. Temperatures down perhaps as low as 1 degree here, the blues representing those nighttime temperatures close to freezing. High pressure close by, but gradually easing its way out. In fact, it splits into two. One area drifts off into the near continent, the other one peels back into the Atlantic, and it will allow these weather fronts to come in, especially across the more eastern counties of Britain through Saturday and Sunday. Some mistiness in the south tomorrow, but I think once that clears, we'll see some sunshine through the day, but increasing amounts of cloud will come in from the east on that freshening easterly breeze, especially through Sunday, and we'll probably see that cloud thick enough to give some spots as rain. If you're heading for London, for the cenotaph on Remembrance Sunday, take your coat and hat. It's going to be rather warm and a bit damp.